Welcome to the Bloom Schools. I think the coat doesn't suit me. Yes, I also think that the coat doesn't suit you. Why are you so disturbed? I am disturbed because the party is making too much noise. How is the Christmas tree? It's gorgeous. Did you enjoy yourself? Yes, we enjoyed ourselves very much. How do I look? You look radiant tonight. How was the dinner? The dinner was wonderful. How was the experience? It was a terrible experience. How do I look in this dress? You look elegant in that dress. Which do you prefer, playing football or fishing? Always football will be my preference. What a boring movie it is. Yes, exactly. How do you feel? I feel like I am on top of the world. What's your favorite sport? I like football and I like to watch cricket. What's your plan? I would rather sleep than watch this movie. What about collecting stamps? Yes, I like, but I'm not crazy about it. What do you like the best, oranges or apples? I like orange the most, but I also eat apples. What do you prefer, tea or coffee? I prefer tea. What do you like to do in your spare time? I like cooking. Sometimes I go for a walk.